And Pita sends a play pass to Iqbal for three. No good, and here comes Ramos for the rebound. Ramos na rin ibibigay kay Chola Sabat. Sabat, ganda na pasa kay Garcia, wala. No good, it's Manuel. Wala, hindi ko si Baran, Baran, ganda pasa kay Iqbal, good. And Chola Sabat, ganda na pasa kay Gabriel Rosa, 100 move, no good. And Garcia, 2 points. Rabina pass to Iqbal, pass to Jordan Aquino, no good, and hindi mo din Manuel. And here goes Manuel, sinigay sa nauna kay Garcia, masyadong lakas. And here goes Garcia, pass to Baran. And Baran din sila out 23, Baran rumagaya na stream of goal. Baran pinilit, and Iqbal, ganda. Iqbal 2 points. And then Baran goes sa nauna, Ramos, Iqbal. Masyado malakas, and Ramos naman, Ramos by the shot, denied. And Ramos pass to Garcia by the shot, no good, and here goes Ramos. Malakas naman, sarado, ang Riggs at Pastor. And here comes Iqbal, pass to Baran for 3, no, hit pala yun, and here goes Iqbal, nasa kita, para pituloy lang. Masyadong short. And here goes Ramos, and pass to Garcia, and Garcia, Leon. And here Baran, Boja, Baran. Ganda ng move, masyado malakas. And di ba din Pita? And Pita 3 versus 2. Pita lilipan, labang kay Manuel. No good. Pita naman, no good naman. Sarado ang ring. Garcia wala pa rin. Garcia naman. Doon. Another move by Garcia. Set. And that's all the Sabat na magkakasok sa ibang Mendoza, nakapasok lang. And 2 points. And Mendoza, napaso, butong na Sabat, walang chase. Masyado mahina. And here comes Iqbal. And Iqbal, setting the play. Iqbal, play, pass, Pita, pull up jump. Not sure. Shoot pala. Malog. And Barangan na pass to Cursi Pita. And yung nababasa kay Iqbal, subok ba? Hindi. And attempt to shoot. And Baran, 5 to shoot. And here's Baran, napakalayo na shot. Oh, what about another move? Oh, Garcia, 2 points. And Costa gets in at 14, binigay kay Ramos. And Ramos po kaya, Ramos. Yes, good. Ramos, here goes Baran. Baran, 10 for layup, no good. And Tola Sabat. Sabat kay Pita, nagkakaroon sila. And Pita, but guarding the Tola Sabat, 3 points! Tola Sabat. And Barangan, susubok na naman. Sa Herbo. And Mendoza, ganda na sa kay Ramos. And 2 points. Relax lang. Good. And Garcia. Not good. And a short time. And he goes to Boja Baran. And not good. Ilang subok para pasok. And he goes Mendoza. And Mendoza stubborn foul. And the back shot so good. And you know Rivas na kay Jersey Pita. And Pita. And si Pita 3 versus 2. Pita lumit pa. And 2 points. To Mendoza laban kay Garcia, and a counted foul. And Iqbal, and a long 3 points. Not sure, rebound ni Mendoza. And Mendoza, kahit may Barangan, binigay nila kay Pita, and Mendoza. Mendoza, ganda na pasa kay Ramos. Good defense by Garcia, and here goes Barangan. Barangan, 3 versus 3, binigay kay Pita. Full of chairs. 2 points. Solos Sabat, nasa kanyang bola, Solos Sabat, sa pass, pero not good, hindi na, si Boja Baran, para sinasap, not good na naman, masyado maya si Baran, and here goes Garcia, and Garcia, stop it up, not good, up kayo na rebound, Mendoza, 2 points. Still, in last 2 minutes and 31 seconds, Peter Pastor Mojabaran, Maran, not to this time, and here comes Mendoza. And Mendoza, labot dalawa, Mendoza, very yay! Ayan, Pita, lumipad, 2 points. Ramos, bumalik. And barang for 3, bang! Barang. And joy! Pero wala. Nice defense, Abellanosa. And Abellanosa pass to Paul Sabat. And Paul Sabat. Oh, 2 points, Paul Sabat. Aquino, ay Garcia, Roger. Garcia, nasanya bola. Fake, and pass to Paul Sabat. And shoot, and here goes Mendoza. Ganda pass to Yari Ramos. 2 points. And last 25 seconds. Mendoza, pass to Ramos. Not good. And last 23 seconds. 2 versus 2, napakaganda ng galaw ni Mojo Banaran. Masyado malas talaga. Last 50 seconds. And then Masta Pets right. And 2 points. Deflected by Charles Sabat. Last 5. Sabat. Si Pilong, si Bulburo, nakapasok na, kumukulagan. Deflected, not good, Garcia, no good. Yes, 8 minutes and 45 seconds. And there is 1 pass to Fernandez, and Fernandez, nakapasok na, wala mawarok na, si Pita. Not good. And uphill now, si Bulburo. Last 8 minutes and 30 seconds. And Mendoza, nasa kanyang bola, Mendoza, pasok sa Sabat. Sabat naman, Sabat 3, no good. Ganda ng kata sa flex to Fernandez. And ang Fernandez, nakakita sa Eric Pan. 2 versus 2, matama assist. Eric Pan, plays shot away. Mendoza, pass to Ramos. Ginigay, Mendoza for the shot. Malapit na Jason Amiran, kaya si Garcia. Ito na galaw! And appear naman si Bulburo. Si Bulburo na magandang speed move at isan. And again, Pita libre. 35. 23-27, sorry. Mendoza, 3 points. Not good. Hindi ko si Garcia. Nakakasipan. And appear naman si Bulburo. Yes, good. Si Pita. And Pita, 2 points. And si Bulburo, pass to Sabat. And Sabat, 2 versus 2. Sabat versus Fernandez, Sabat! Masyado malakas. Full back. Garcia. And here goes Fernandez. Short, and he will be the spot, 2 points. And si Bulburo, pass to Sabat. Sabat, 3 points. Not good this time. And ang tayo rin Fernandez, sinigay kay Nira. Ajay Sirkita. Kada nagpasa. Pita rin natin ang kasama. Pita, behind the back move. Raul de Guzman. And si Bulburo, pass to Ramos. Side step, Ramos. Not good this time. Sinapit ni Aquino. The flag is Pita. 3 versus 1. And Fernandez not board. So board. Garcia, pass to Ramos. Binigay kay Nino. Kailan si Bulburo, 3 points. Mother of 10 game. lateral move. Sabat wala ng bola. Yan si Bulgurov. Favorable si Sabat, pero no good. Here comes Ramos. Ramos. Last 2 minutes for 45 seconds. Oh, the move is still moving. Beginning to Sabat 2 points. And then a play of squad, not good this time. Garcia Ramos for the fake. And it kicks out with Mendoza. Mendoza fake. Mendoza penetrates. Not good. Sabat 3 points. Not good this time. Garcia Brasilita. Two versus two. 2-on-2. What a move by Pita! Wala. Bulgurov, pass to Mendoza. Mendoza, harap kapalaan, nakapasok sa ilalim. And 2 points. Hit Ason. Fernandez. 2 points. Fernandez. Mendoza. Ramos! Cut! Pero wala. That's fine. Pass over Fernandez 3-on-1. Fernandez 2 points. Fernandez. Siya ba yung cry? Mahina. Depressed de Garcia. Napakasi pa dyan. Atan. Napakasi pa para magkuha yun. Nicolas Sabat. Nagkori. Butulit-butulitan. Pero wala. Pero move. Nasi Ronald de Guzman. Saan niya na yan? Right. Fernandez. Contra Basma. Ano yun? Sinayang mo paasar ang promo mo. Ramos suminto. Ramos pinagay Garcia. Masyado mahina. And last si Baran. Baran. Lininal booth. Baran bad. Pass. Fernandez. Yeah. What a connection, the gate to well. Easy ka lang. And Baran not good this time. And Mendoza. Pass it to Sabat. And Sabat niya para pasay Garcia. Move. 2 points Garcia. Last 7 minutes. Araman, 3 points. Ramos. Last 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Mendoza, 2 points. Gita. Mendoza, tugang pastor sa division. Araman, not good this time, bro. Here comes Ramos. Masyado malakas, basan, hindi na sa loob ng maayos. Oh, Barangan bersahabat. Barangan, naiwan si Bonnie Barangan bersahabat 2 points. Kampung Edinan. Garcia Mendoza, nasa kanyang bola, bibigay kay Ramos. And Ramos, binigay kay Mendoza. That's good. This time, bro. Kasi Pika lilipat, Pika pocket pa. Labas, in and out. Ay, Charles half time of Bajabat. Sahabat terbang. Lepas.
May nakabidyo.
Marami naman. Tuwian sila. Ramos. Game 1 Finals Senior Division magkukumpare Guyang First Team Manilis.
Wait mo lang.
Oh! Ito yung sabat, brother. May malangan babae. In a short this time. And Mendoza, pass to Garcia. 2 points, Garcia. Iqbal, a veteran move. Iqbal, 2 points. Nice check. Ito sabat na naman. Sabat, binigay ni Ramos. And Garcia, win with 2, Garcia. Last release in 12 minutes and 21 seconds. Ganda yung ginawa mo, Edisoy. Sino yan? Oh, Mar. Barangay, right, good. And Mendoza. Mendoza, pass to Garcia. Anong tira yun, Matan? Pagod ka na ba, George? Kita, passing by. 45 seconds. That's good. It's on well. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza, 2 points.
Diyan pa lang ang tira mo kanina, ulitin mo pa.
10 seconds.
Bayan mo yung bola.
Minsan lang yan, ganyan lang.
Nahiya ka kanina, karami mo na-shoot, di ka nahiya.
Sabat. Garcia. Tutolo. Ibulburo. Eduardo. Ramos. Sabat. Let's go. Sabat. Ayan na. Ramos. Ibulburo. Tumira. Wala. Ito ni London. Inawa ni Manuel. May sugat pa yan. Yun lang. Araw. Aquino. Tuigban for 3. 3 points. Ibulburo. Garcia! Bad! Rebound! Garcia! Pera! Aquino! Aquino! Pida! 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 Rebound! Pida!
Normally pag-announce, di ba ganun?
Eric Bass, 3 points!
Laro natin yun, nilalaro pa.
Ang gani, sabit na nga, yan na nga oh. Yan na nga oh, sa nagsubo, not good. Oh, and last 8 minutes. Balan, pasok ke si Vita, bang! Mendoza, power move, good for 2, Mendoza, nagawa ni Cholo, Sabat, pinasay Ramos, good for 2, Ramos, last 7, Pida, pinasay Iqbal, pinasay Aquino,
Mga pasa.
Mendoza sa gitna, pinasay Garcia, wala, rebound ni Guzman, pinasay Barangan, nakuha ni Garcia, pinasay si Bulburo, to Mendoza, to Bulburo, wala, kuha ni Barangan, pinasay Aquino, 2 points Aquino, Mendoza, 2 points by Mendoza, Barangan nagkamadali, layup, 2 for 2, Sabat, to Garcia, wala, nakuha ni Ramos, good for Ramos, 6 minutes, Iqbal for 3, no good, rebound, Ramos, to Sabat, to Ramos, to Sabat ulit, kay Lalit Garcia, good for 2, Ida, tumira na 3, no good, kaya pa rin ang bola, Pida pa rin, kaya ka naman, Pida pa rin, ito shoot, Iqbal, Terpa, Fernandez, good ball to Fernandez. Karot nga pala sa magkabantay ng Tiel mamaya dyan. Ramos, good ball to laban, Fernandez. To Guzman. Ramos, Ragawan, Olpida, to Iqbal. Good ball to Iqbal. Ramos, to Mendoza. Tumira ng 3. Short. Rebound by Garcia. Nagawan. Garcia. Nagawan ng Medi. Fernandez. Wala. Rebound si Bulburo. To Mendoza. Nagawan ng foul. Mendoza pa rin. Wala, rebound ni Garcia. Pinasa Iqbal pa rin. Wala, rebound kay Ramos. Last 4 minutes. Ramos. Sabat. To Garcia. Kantang pasa. Pida. To Iqbal. Kumuha ng 3. Iqbal. 3 points. Pida pa rin. Wala. Nakuha ni Barangan. Ito shoot. Barangan. Kumuha ng 3. Wala. Dito kay Ramos. Pinasay Garcia. Ibig libre. Good for 2. Last 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Pita. Nakuha ni Mendoza. Mendoza. To Ramos. Wala. Ramos pa rin. Good for 2. Ramos. Hernandez. Hernandez pa rin. Ang kabataan. Pinasa ay Pita. Sabat. Sabat pa rin. To Garcia. Good for 2. Saya Pino to Higbat. Bubukol ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Ramos. Ramos to Sabat. Wala. Rebound ni Higbat. Urano ni Ramos. Libre. Good for 2. Ramos. To Guzman. To Sabat. Ay pang balikan yan. Sabat. Pinasa kay Ramos. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Garcia, 2 for 2. Van. Ball sa Malano. Wala. Makuha ni Guzman. Last 59 seconds. Wala pa rin. Villanosa. Villanosa. Last 50 seconds. 2 for 2. Villanosa.